The digital revolution in model railroading has been around for quite a while. Digital command and control (DCC) systems have broken below the $100 barrier and can be found even on small layouts. In fact, there are many companies who are making specialized digital control products that serve a single purpose, such as throwing turnout points. The good thing is that most of these products can be installed by anyone who can hook up a couple of color-coded wires correctly, and will perform quite satisfactorily. But, and there is a but, implementing a lot of such hardware on a medium to large model railroad can start to become very expensive very quickly. The brains of the products I've just described are generally a special-purpose electronic chip or set of chips that depend on individual electronic components to do a single operation. For example, you probably won't find a stationary turnout decoder that can also operate as a remote block occupancy detector. So the question is, why expend all that power, use up valuable layout space, and incur added expense, when you can have a very few small, more powerful brains that do all the thinking, and then tell the layout feature what to do? Basically, a microcontroller is a very small computer, which is designed to do one or just a few simple tasks over and over again. It will usually be found taking measurements, turning things on and often displaying results. Those are exactly the same types of functions required on a model railroad, so that's why microcontrollers are the perfect tool for a model railroader. Working with microcontrollers is easiest if you make or buy a starter development kit. These consist of a small test socket matrix for plugging in electronic parts, called a breadboard. A small assortment of parts that you will use as sensors or output devices is typically a bag of small switches, resistors and LEDs, and a set of jumper wires used to connect the parts to each other and to the microcontroller. These boards make it easy to rearrange circuits and do testing without the need to solder any components.